Hi, this is John with the Evolving World. Today I'm doing a quick video on what does a Chevrolet Bolt look like after 1 year of ownership and never washing it once. So I thought this is kind of interesting. Some people might be interested to see this. I just kind of never got around to washing it. I kind of thought that every time I would wash it, it would rain right after I wash it. So I figured, okay, I'm not going to wash it. I'm just going to drive it, because I do enjoy driving the car a lot. So this is what we have here. I'm actually pretty surprised. It really doesn't look all that bad. You get bugs on the front, but then the next time it rains, it washes it off for the most part. Like most of this is just recent stuff. And the wheels. This is the nice, really delight of owning an electric car. This is what it looks like after 1 year. Pretty much about, I think I've driven about 12,000 miles or so in a year. And 12,000 miles without washing it. So that's what it looks like for the front wheels. I think that looks pretty good. Don't have to worry about washing your wheels every week, like some people, gas car people. There's some dirt, of course. There's just like a nice even film of dust on it. Every time it rains, it kind of washes it a little bit, but it leaves a little bit behind as well. Back here. And the worst spot, of course, is in the back here. This is where most of the dust is at. And of course, another area that's going to be a problem here is going to be in here. Not too bad though. See all the dust. So that's about as bad as it can get right there. So if you can live with this, you know, maybe you can save some time in your life and time for other things, more important things like living. Instead of washing your car every 2 weeks, you can actually get on with your life and do some other things. That's what I've been trying to do. So anyway, that's what it looks like. I think it looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and wash it. Thanks again for watching.